Clematis is one of those flowers that just doesn't like heat. It will not do well in the microwave. So you want to press this in a traditional way. You can use your Microfleur. I use my Microfleur for many different things. But what we're going to do is put it in a sunny window. Now check it every day, and in a day or two it should be dry if I have sun for all that time. Still significantly faster than a traditional press because of the wicking of the Microfleur, the venting. It's like a slow, steady heat when you put it in the sunshine, as opposed to a microwave, which, not sure why, but the petals will turn brown from the outside. Even though this is a fresh picked flower, it just bloomed this morning, it still doesn't do well in the microwave. So I'm going to snip the stem off as close to the flower as I can. Roll this down the same as we would any other time. Try to not get these petals folded over on themselves. Oops. I'll do that again because I didn't quite get it lined up. That's better. Now I can adjust the pad. I don't want to adjust the cotton. You can move the pad around without any issues. If you move the cotton around, then you can risk shifting your flower and folding something over that you may not want. So now I'm going to put this in my sunny spot, and I'll keep checking on it and we'll come back to it. Now I have a nice rack here, stand. As you can see, I already have another flower pressing, and I'm just going to leave my press here. Most of the direct sunlight is gone for the day, but it's supposed to be sunny tomorrow, so I'll check it at the end of tomorrow and keep checking back until it's dry. It's been a day. Now we're going to check on our flower. Even though it wasn't in the microwave, you still want to be careful when pulling your cotton off because it may have stuck. Let's take a look. There we go. Beautiful. Now, because it was so dry, it only took one day. So roughly 24 hours of sunshine. Put it in the morning. It had all day of sun, and it is perfectly dry and ready to use. Like I said, they do not like the heat. And with just 10 seconds, they've turned brown. And not everything works well in the microwave. The Clematis is one flower that I would just put in my press, put it in my Microfleur, and put it in a sunny window for a day or two. They don't hold a lot of moisture. If you've got nice sunny days, A day or two should be all it needs, and then it will be ready to go.